Welcome to Sam's Kitchen. Today we'll be making kadhi. Take a pan and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. 1 spoon jeera. Some chopped garlic. 1 chopped green chili and 1 chopped tomato. Add some kadhi patta and fry it for 5 minutes. Till then, take a bowl and add curd 3 tablespoons. Besan 2 tablespoons, some water to mix it up, one teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon dhania powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala. Mix it properly and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Back to kadai, add some salt, mix and fry it well. It's been almost 5 minutes. Time to add the masala curd mix. Mix all the ingredients properly. Add some water. To give it a twist, you can add some farsan. Once it has been boiled properly, it is now ready to serve and eat. Do let us know if you like this video. Subscribe if you are new to this channel. Do share and comment. Thank you. Link to the products used in this video are mentioned in the description below.